Hey guys, you're watching TechRadar. My name is Basil and this is our awards video for CES 2018. We've toured the show floor and picked our favorite bits of kit, and we're going to kick off with the best AR in show, and it's the Vuzix? Not entirely sure how to pronounce it, but the Vuzix Blade. This smart pair of spectacles looks like a very sleek set, and it also overlays AR information in front of your field of vision and comes loaded with Alexa support as well. As for best robot device, this is the Aibo. This adorable little robotic pooch has sensors all over so that it knows how you play with it, and then it can get to know you. It's got cameras, it's got a SIM card slot, but more than anything, those OLED eyes just look super cute. You're gonna fall in love with it, but it's not gonna be cheap. Around 2,000 bucks if you get pet insurance for it. Yep, I did just say pet insurance. As for the best mobile accessory, it is the DJI Osmo 2. This gimbal doesn't just support traditional landscape shooting, it also makes shooting super steady and portray a reality. Any Instagrammers out there wanting to make their stories better than the rest, this should be on your wish list. As for best innovation, it goes to Vivo with their in-screen fingerprint scanner. Samsung, Apple, they've all been trying to do it. Vivo has beat them to the punch. This comparatively small Chinese manufacturer should definitely be given a nod for that. As for the best VR experience, it goes to the HTC Vive Pro. Over 600 pixels per inch in each of the OLED displays in front of your eyes, as well as improved audio support. The Vive was already up there, but now it's exceptional. As for the best gaming device, it goes to Nvidia. Their BFG displays, big format gaming. That means you're going to be able to get 65 inches of PC gaming with Nvidia's G-Sync technology and HDR Plus as well for the most immersive visual experience possible. As for best wearable tech, that goes to the Lenovo Mirage Solo. This is a standalone Google Daydream headset powered by a Snapdragon 835. It will support all of the experiences you will want, and you can also walk around with it and feel free as the wind, but in a virtual space. Our must-see award for CES 2018, this goes to the 4K 65-inch OLED LED rollable TV. Now 65 inches and 4K is amazing, but the fact this rolls into the base station mechanically to change size to better suit your content is what makes it stand out from the crowd. As for best in show, the award goes to Samsung for the Wall. The Wall is a new take on LED technology, introducing micro LED to the world. It's modular, it has smaller bezels than anything we've seen before, brighter brights, and thanks to a new technology, no fear of burn-in, which makes it really incredible when it comes to what you can do with it in the future, although you can't buy it just yet. And that's what CES is all about, an insight into tomorrow's technology today. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. For a rundown of all our categories, including the ones that we didn't cover, and more about the specific products, techradar.com is your destination. Thanks for watching.